Vidura College, reception, environment related activities, lesson 5, birds. Hello my smart children. These days you all are spending a long holiday at home. Therefore, I will take you on a trip to a special place. Are you ready to go there? We are going to a bird park. Do you like to join with me? Children, now we are in the bird park. Do you hear the birds singing? Can you see that bird? It's a hen. Hen is a domestic bird. It gives us eggs. It likes to eat grains. Did you hear that sound? Oh, it's a peacock. Peacock is the beautiful bird in the bird's world. It likes to eat fruits, grains, and insects. Look at the beauty of that parrot. It's green in color. Parrot is a domestic bird and it likes to eat fruits and grains. Owl. Owl has big eyes. We can see owls at night. It eats insects, spiders, snails, like invertebrates. Look at that swan. Swan is a beautiful bird. It is white in color. Small fish and leaves are its favorite foods. It's about swan. Did you see that bird? It's an eagle. Eagle has a sharp eyesight. It can fly fast. Eagle likes to eat meats. Look, that eagle tries to hunt the frog. We can see many colorful birds in this park. Children, birds have an amazing talent to fly. But some birds can't fly. My mother taught me a nice song about that. Shall I sing it now? Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest living bird in the world. It lays large eggs. Ostrich can't fly, but it can run fast. Woodpecker. Woodpecker has a strong beak for drilling and drumming on trees. It likes to eat insects. Kingfisher. Kingfisher has a large head with sharp and pointed beak. They are most famous for hunting and eating fish. Hornbill. Hornbill is an innocent bird. It has a large, strong beak. It eats insects, fruits, and vegetables. It's a duck. Duck is a beautiful bird. It swims fast. Small fish, grass, and seeds are its favorite foods. My dear kids, it's time to go home. I think you all enjoyed this visit. Activity time. Now, children, you saw beautiful birds in the bird park. Which bird do you like most? Remember to draw your favorite bird and color. Your teacher is waiting to see your nice drawings. Birds are very innocent. So, children, be kind to the birds. Take care, my children. See you soon.